Ladies, I hope you have a great day. Friends, today I am going to share with you my makeup reorganization. So I hope you enjoy the video. Friends, you can see I put my all makeup in my everyday makeup in this tray, in this bag, and some in this box. So let's reorganize and refresh it with me. So without further ado, let's get started. I choose this box, this drawer. I think all the makeup in I keep in this box. So first I try to put my everyday BB or CC cream in this one. My eyeshadow palette. This is my powder. I put my all lipstick here. Friends, you can see my collection feel old, but because I don't do my makeup every day, so I have so much old makeup. This is my lip pencil and eyeliner and my mascara. This is single eyeshadow. In my last year it's in my project pan. I keep it here, and this is my gloss kajal from Maybelline. It's almost finished, and you can see I open new one soon. My pencil sharpener here and my eyeshadow brush I put here. Next, friends, I have some new products which I recently buy, and I want to test and try. So this elf lip stain in the shade basic beige, I want to try it. This elf hello glow liquid filter, I also want try it, and I gives you the review of these two products very soon, so stay with me. This is my Daytona Wild West eyeshadow palette. I put this also here. My Shaira Fargani eyeshadow palette. This is very beautiful palette, and I recently bought it in winter, in December I think. Sorry, my husband gave me it's as a gift. So this is this. So I also put it here. And friends, I also want to try this Fenty Beauty cream gloss. I have the shade Cupcake, I think. I don't know if you see, then you can read it. So these are three new products which I want to try in coming months. So here are some products. This Essence Pretty Natural Hydrating Foundation. It's very good foundation. I use it 2-3 times, I think. So now I keep it in this. This is Stay Good Kill liquid lipstick. I don't like it because it dry the lips very badly, but I use it sometime. This mascara from Color Bliss, because friends, my this Max Factor mascara almost finish. So when it's gone, then I use this one. And this is backup of Closer Kajal. This one, it's finish, almost finished. And last month I pick up, I think in March I pick up this one from Shop My Stash. If you want to see that video, I give the link here in the card. You can watch also that video. So this is NYB, the big apple of my eye kohl. Friends, it's waterproof and smudge proof and dermatologically tested. So I try it before and now. And this lip pencil, lip liner, I don't know what is the shade of this, so I keep it in my everyday makeup drawer. So friends, these are all the makeup fit in my everyday makeup, which almost fit in this little drawer. I think I put that's good. So friends, if you like my videos, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my content. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay tuned with me.